Testimony just wrapped up for the day in the trial of former Norfolk Sheriff Bob McCabe. He's accused of taking bribes from two men in exchange for securing multi-million-dollar contracts with the city jail. Allison Bazzle reports from the Norfolk Federal Courthouse.
Yes, prosecutors spent hours combing through emails and contracts between Sheriff McCabe and leaders at ABL and CSS. They tried painting a more than business relationship to the jury, but McCabe's attorney insists that the correspondence is innocent.
Mr. McCabe, do you have anything to say to the citizen?
I can't really say anything right now. Thank you.
During day 3 in court, prosecutors brought forward dozens of contracts and emails between McCabe, CCS, and ABL leaders. They presented an email from January 2009. It shows McCabe forwarding an internal draft of the Norfolk Sheriff's Office Medical Services Report to CCS CEO Jerry Boyle from his personal email. A few weeks later, McCabe emails Boyle and says, "Contract is on my desk, having second thoughts. Not just kidding." Boyle responds, quote, "Celebratory drinks next month." McCabe's longtime secretary, Diana Minor, took the stand. Prosecution asked about McCabe's annual golf tournament fundraiser where mulligans or do-overs were sold to participants. Minor said she would give the money to McCabe at the end of the day. She says in 2014 she brought concerns to McCabe that the mulligan money had to be donated per the Virginia Sheriff's accounting manual. She says they usually collected $2,000 to $3,000. They discussed putting it in his charitable foundation. Minor got emotional, recalling several months after the tournament, before McCabe deposited the funds, she says she felt responsible for the money since she was a signer on his foundation account. Roccoletti asked if she raised the same concerns about campaign contributions made by ABL and CCS as the mulligans. She said no. In Norfolk, Allison Bazzle, 13 News Now.
McCabe is charged with 11 counts of corruption and bribery-related offenses. Both Boyle and McCabe have pleaded not guilty.